I don't know how to make corsets. I've been trying to learn how to make corsets, but I am not understanding anything. It really looks so difficult and cumbersome. How do I know how to make corsets? I really want to know how to make corsets. Worry no more. We have brought a simplified way of you knowing how to make corsets. In this training, we are not going to bombard you with too many styles. We are just going to teach you the basic. You should be able to produce this outfit you are seeing in this video. How to draft it, how to cut it, and how to put it all together. And once you are able to produce this outfit you are seeing right now, you can then grow from there in knowing how to make other styles. We don't intend to teach you too many styles, thereby leaving you more confused. No, we intend to make sure that you know how to make this style and then you grow from there. All you need is just a basic understanding of how to put a corset outfit together. With just 1,000 naira, you will be able to easily put this corset outfit you are seeing together. This very one, from the sleeve to the front panel to the back panel, everything, you will be able to know how to put it together with just 1,000 naira. And then as bonus, we are going to teach you the remaining styles, this trending carbobo, and then every other style you see in this video as bonus. The essence for this class is just for you to be able to know how to put the corset outfit together. 1,000. Click on the link right now and join the group.